Hi everyone, today we are going to do a double fold gift wrap. It's very quick and easy. I'll tell you how to do it. For this you'll be needing a gift box to be wrapped. Now what you have to do is you have to flip your box like this and you have to take a packing paper which should be laid down the printing part on the bottom side. Now what you have to do is from the upper end you need to measure that your wrapping should come till here. You have to leave about an inch gap in between. So you will tuck from this side. Now what is the important part? It's very easy and to understand. What you have to do, take a side and you have to go like this. It should cover till the end. Now just take a sheet, push your gift backwards so that it should not have any loose side, and I'm going to make a triangle out of it. I will tuck my triangle so that it will not go anywhere. Again, I need to do this thing from this side. Just secure it with a tape so that it should not go anywhere. Take a end side and try to form a triangle. A triangle has to be formed like this. A triangle has to be formed like this. So this is how we are going to make a triangle. This is what we've made a triangle. Again, secure this side and secure this end. Now this part, just tuck it like this and overlap it to have the second fold. Now from this side again, just take a paper and secure the end like this. Make sure you do not have any loose ends from any side. So now this is going to be two sides, and for the back, from the remaining side, just do it like this. Again, make a triangle like this. And it's good if you trim this part off so that it should not go overlapping and it should look good. And so whatever the parts we are left with, I'm going to fold this. You can trim this if you don't want to fold this, and you can go over. Now again, tuck the ends and your gift is ready. A two-fold method. It looks good if you have a lighter color paper and you have a plain paper, so that you can just take care of your folds. And for the better effect, I'll take a flower and I'll just put this here so that it will give a new parcel look. So this is if you want to decorate it, you can decorate this part as well. Okay, thank you.